Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a spiral in your documents on Inkscape in 2026 without drawing it manually. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your document on Inkscape. Let me zoom in a bit and remove that example spiral here. You will need to access the left sidebar here and choose the spiral tool or use the shortcut I. After that, the cursor will look like this. So left click, hold your left mouse and position your spiral. Now, if you hold your left mouse and move your mouse forth and back like this, you may adjust the size of the spiral. And also if you move your mouse or rotate it, you will be given the opportunity to rotate your spiral as well. Release your left mouse and that's it. Now, if you'd like to change, for example, let me zoom in a bit again, the appearance of the spiral, select the select tool in the top left and make sure that if you, for instance, clicked off, make sure that the spiral is selected with your left mouse. Next, navigate to the fill and stroke tab here or right click into your spiral and select the fill and stroke properties here and adjust, for instance, the appearance of the spiral line. For example, you may change its width here or its style or appearance. Well, that doesn't look too nice, so let me switch to dashed line. Or you may go with a solid line, and if you navigate to stroke paint, you may also change the color. Now, what if you'd like to change the spiral length or of the line here? You may do that by selecting the spiral tool again, and then you will see this handle at the end of the line or at the beginning of it. So you may use one of these. Let me go with this one, left click into it and hold your left mouse, and that way increase or decrease the length of the line, or you may increase it, and that's how it works, guys. So you need to hold your left mouse and rotate your mouse like this, or vice versa. Move that handle into the opposite direction to decrease the length, to reduce the spiral to something like this, for instance. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.